And they're off. Air lead is taken by Bondi Babes, and by the rail is Classic Quality, Magnificent on the farther outside. The mid-back stretch, Magnificent Jumping Jonah moving up in between horses. It's now Jumping Jonah in the lead, followed by Classic Quality, Magnificent, Bright Olympian, and Bondi Babe moving up on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Jumping Jonah by half a length, followed by Classic Quality by the rail in second, Bright Olympian, and Magnificent moving up on the outside, and Youngster Gunster, Bondi Babe. The last bend for home, it's Classic Quality in the lead. It's still Classic Quality, Magnificent on the outside, and Bright Olympian. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line is still Classic Quality in the lead, followed by Magnificent on the outside, Bright Olympian, and Bondi Babe moving up on the inside. And at the payoff line is still entry number 1, Classic Quality. And finally at the payoff line, Classic Quality, Magnificent, Bright Olympian, Bondi Babe, Youngster Gangster, and Jumping Jonah.
1524 ang ating unofficial order.